The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Hello everyone, welcome to the free Salesforce career guidance by Interlogic, your Salesforce school on YouTube. And today we are going to see one important thing where we are going to see hot 7 Salesforce interview questions which are going to be useful for freshers as per March 2022. So here the question and answer will be exactly in the interview format like a mock interview. And here comes the first question.
What are the different types of reports in Salesforce?
So there are 4 types of reports in Salesforce. One is tabular report, second is summary report, third is matrix report, and fourth is join report.
What is profile in Salesforce?
So in Salesforce, whenever in any organization we want to create a kind of department like structure, a group of people, a group of members, and for them we want to give a specific rights and restrictions. So this way, department wise activities we can do by profile. It's nothing but like kind of department in the organization. And in profile for a certain group of people, we can give the rights like which kind of applications they can see, which kind of objects they can access, what kind of fields they can access, what is going to be their login, logout time. These are all the things you can define for a certain group of people, that is called as profile in Salesforce.
What is field dependency in Salesforce?
So when we are having two different fields in Salesforce and we want to set the dependency where based on the first field's value, the second field should be populating. For example, the first field is, let's say, country and value is America, and second field is state. So as per the value America, we want to show all the states in America in the second field. At that time, we can use field dependency.
What is relationship in Salesforce?
When we are connecting more than one object in Salesforce and connecting them in a business point of view, at that time we use relationship concept. For example, we are having a table, let's say bank account holder and the transactions. So in this case, you need to connect these two tables to provide a business output. Or let's say, for example, student and the fees details, or for example, the patient and the payment transactions for the particular patient, etc. So this way we can connect two tables in Salesforce as per the business point of view by using relationships. And there are different types of relationships available in Salesforce like lookup relationship, master relationship, many to many, self relationship, hierarchy relationship, etc.
What is data loader in Salesforce?
When we are working on large number of records and at that time we need to load the records in Salesforce from a file like CSV, it's like an Excel file which is present on our system local machine, then we use the tool called as data loader. It is a native tool in Salesforce which is given by Salesforce itself, and we use that tool for inserting large amount of data or downloading the data, deleting the data, updating, upserting, different actions you can do by data loader in Salesforce. Up to 5 millions of transactions means 5 millions of records we can process using data loader.
What is workflow rule in Salesforce?
Workflow rule is nothing but an automation mechanism. Suppose a particular record got inserted or we modified a particular record. Based on that activity, if you want to perform something, then at that time we use workflow rule. For example, in workflow rule we can send automated email to some person, or for example we can modify a field in workflow rule. We can create a task for another user in the organization, or we can send data to other platform by using outbound messages. So this way 4 different actions we can do automatically by using this automation option feature called as workflow rule.
What is approval process in Salesforce?
In any company we have hierarchy, seniors, juniors, and junior people need to take the permission from the senior management for taking some certain actions. At that time we use approval process where a junior person sends the approval to the management checks that they reject or approve, and based on that the way actually we do work in any physical company, same way we can do that in Salesforce by using approval process. Alright, so guys, that's all with all the questions that we have. And now let's connect in the next video for such more useful and up-to-date questions for your Salesforce interviews. Meanwhile, good luck for your interview. Thank you.